Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to How to Log In YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can log into 21st Century Bank, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First of all, you need to search for 21st Century Bank login in Google. Now right after that you will be able to see a link at top on in the screen where you need to click on it, and you will be redirected to the official login page of 21st Century Bank where it is asking us for our username. Let me show you an example. After that, click on continue and enter your password, and once your credentials is done, click to sign in and you will be able to log in. And also you can use your passkey instead of your password, and by chance if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forgot password in the screen and complete the formalities and you will be able to log in. So basically this is how you can log into First Bank, and if you still encounter any issue during the login process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.